Kábíyèsí, ọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣe pàtàkì tí mo fẹ́ sáré sọ. Bàbá, àfi bá a bá fẹ́ parọ́ lóko o. Gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà tó jókòó yìí, ó ní wọ́n mọ̀ pé Balógun ó ti kó takuntakun nínú ìlú yìí. Ẹ káre bàbá. Àmọ́ aburú tí bàbá yìí tí wọ́n ń gbìyànjú ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń pèrò ẹ̀ fún ìlú yìí lọ́jọ́ iwájú yóò báyé gbogbo ìlú ìkẹni.
Ẹ má bínú olúwa mi. Ìmọ̀rú èèyàn tẹ́ jẹ́ ni.
Mo rí ẹ̀bùn tó fún ọmọ mi obìnrin o. Ṣé bí wọ́n ní bí ọkùnrin bá fẹ́ fìfẹ́ hàn yóò máa ṣọ wá, yóò mú ẹ̀gbà ọrùn wá, yóò mú owó tẹ̀lé. Àmọ́ nígbà tó mú tí o wá, o mú ọsàn, orin àti awọ ewúrẹ́ wá fún ọmọ mi. Jọ, kí ni ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀bùn tó mú wá?
Kò sí. Bí bàbá mi ṣe fẹ́ kí n kọ́ ni, ó ṣeé ṣe kí n gbẹ̀mí wọn là. Àmọ́
mo bá yín káàánú pípàdánù àwọn obìnrin. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
ẹ ṣeun.
Wo jagunjagun ni mí. Jagunjagun ni bàbá tó bí mi lọ́mọ. Jagunjagun sì ní ìpọ́n nípọ̀gbà mi. Sọ́yẹ́ ọ.
Rónkẹ́ Òjó lorúkọ tèmi. Ọmọ Àkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kùn. Ọmọ amúdàsílẹ̀ mógún ẹrun pani àdìmógún ẹrun pani mọ́ o. Ìlà mógún ẹrun tún ní í ṣe lórí sinimá Alahun làwà.
Ṣé o ti gbọ́? O ti gbọ́?
Alahun is coming.
Alahun is coming.
Alahun is coming. Alahun is coming. Alahun is coming.
Alahun bọ̀!
What if the very thing society laughs at you for doing becomes the thing that eventually makes you a hero? That is the beautiful question at the heart of Alahun, the Weaver. The movie tells the story of Adeboriku Onifade, a young man born into the warrior kingdom of Irepewole. His father Balogun is one of the kingdom's greatest warriors and expects his son to follow his footsteps. But Adeboriku is nothing like his father. While other boys are training to become warriors, Adeboriku is drawn to weaving and hairstyling. Unfortunately, these are considered women's occupation in his society. And because of this, Adeboriku becomes a constant target of mockery. People call him weak. The question is masculinity. Even his own father struggles to accept him and constantly pressures him to become the warrior he believes his son should be. But Adeboriku refuses to give up the things he loves. And there is one person who truly accepts him, Princess Olajumoke, the woman he loves and is betrothed to. For Adeboriku, Olajumoke is the one of the few people who sees him for who he really is, rather than who society expects him to be. But everything changes when the princess mysteriously disappears. She has been taken into a dangerous supernatural realm, and the entire kingdom is thrown into panic. The king needs someone brave enough to rescue her. Then come Odapadeoro, a powerful warrior who offers to save the princess, but only if the king agrees to give her to him in marriage. And suddenly, Adeboriku is faced with a choice. He can sit back and watch another man take the woman he loves, or he can step outside the identity everyone has forced on him and fight for her. So Adeboriku does something nobody expects. He sets out to rescue Olajumoke himself. Remember, this is a man who has never fought a battle. He isn't a trained warrior. He doesn't have the strength or experience of men like Odapadeoro. Yet, he enters a dangerous world filled with enchanted forests, supernatural beings, and seemingly impossible challenge. And as the journey continues, Adeboriku discovers something important. Strength doesn't always look like a warrior. The qualities people mocked him for, his gentleness, creativity, and ability to think differently, may actually be the very thing that help him survive. And this is where I think Alahun, the Weaver, delivers its strongest message. Society has always tried to tell us what men and women should do. A man who wants to become a hairstylist is questioned. A woman who wants to become a pilot is questioned. We are constantly putting people into boxes based on gender, tradition, and expectations. But Adebori's story reminds us that you don't have to become someone else just to prove your worth. Being gentle doesn't make a man weak. Being creative doesn't make someone inferior. And choosing a different path doesn't mean you failed. Sometimes, the thing that makes you different is actually your greatest strength. Beyond the message, Alahun the Weaver also gives us romance, Yoruba culture, warriors, adventure, and supernatural elements, making it more than just a traditional epic. The movie features a strong cast including Fathia Balogun as Olori, Ibrahim Chatta as King Farombi, Odunlade Adekola as Olajumoke, Ronke Ojo as Omolara, Lateef Adedimeji as Olaolu, Omomi Dada as Igebumi, Ugo Amanda as Princess Olajumoke, Moshood Fatai as Adeboriku Onifade, Imotunde Adeyemo as Odapadeoro, Olarotimi Fakunle as Balogun Onifade, and other talented actors. So is Alahun the Weaver worth watching? If you enjoy Yoruba epic movies with mythology, romance, adventure, and a meaningful message, this is definitely one to put on your watch list. Alahun the Weaver is currently showing in cinemas. Have you seen the movie already? If yes, tell me what you thought about it, and most importantly, rate it out of 10 in the comment section. And if you haven't seen it, let me know, will you be seeing Alahun the Weaver in the cinema? Don't forget to like this video, share it with other movie lovers, and subscribe to Vibe with Kemstar. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and I truly appreciate every single one of you supporting this channel. Until next time, keep watching great movies, keep supporting good stories, and I will see you in the next video. This is Vibe with Kemstar.